Hey my beautiful angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sushmita and you are watching Mrs. Ouch. Now I'm really very happy to say this line after more than a year. Yes, I left working for YouTube and I was not active on YouTube, but after more than a year I came back. So there might be a lot of questions like why I left YouTube, what I was doing past 1 year, and why I just came back. So all your questions will be answered in this video, so please do keep on watching the video. And before that, I'm really very thankful to all my old subscribers who kept on subscribing to my channel and didn't unsubscribe me just because I just stopped working. So I'm really very thankful for you all being supportive and being loving to me. And if you are new to my channel and if you're watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and support me. I'll be really grateful. And yes, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and makeup, mostly makeup. If this is of your interest, then please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so why I left YouTube? Now, the main two reasons for me leaving YouTube was the quality of the video. I was not satisfied with the quality of video I used to create. First of all, whenever I used to watch and compare any other YouTuber's video with mine, it really made me feel that my video is not up to the professional mark. The first thing which was lacking in my video was proper lighting. I was not having a proper light. At that time, I was using a DIY ring light back then. And the second thing was I was not having a proper gadget to shoot my videos. I was using just a mobile phone, and that too was a normal mobile phone, that too not any high-end brands or something, a very high-end mobile phone. So these two are the main reasons why I left working for YouTube. So even if I wanted to buy a good light or something like that, you all know that light comes with huge stands and my room is very small. It is not big enough to accommodate 2 or 3 lights over there. So yes, these are the reasons why I left YouTube, because I really felt that my videos lacked those professional touch. And I really wanted to improve the quality of the video, and for that I needed proper lights and gadgets. So yes guys, now I have proper lighting with me. As you can see in the video that my light is at least very decent, maybe not up to a very professional thing, and the video qualities will be better. So I got one softbox and one ring light. I've also placed an order for another softbox which I haven't received yet. And for the camera, I recently bought a DSLR, that is Canon EOS 90D. So hopefully now I'll have proper videos which will satisfy me and satisfy my audience. Now the most important question is that why it took 1 year to get me all these stuffs. Now truly to speak, if I wanted, I could have easily asked my dad to get all the stuffs, but I really didn't wanted to do that. So I wanted to buy everything with my own money, which took me a year to save up, and now I finally have everything with me. Now another thing which I mentioned is that my room is quite small. Now let me just tell you that I have a new studio kind of thing which is all set up in my old house. My old house and my new house is just like side by side. So I have got a room in my old house, got all colored and got all stuffs over here. Though it is not completed, my studio is not complete yet, but hopefully after the lockdown gets over it will get complete. And I'll just give you a glimpse of everything which I have right now. That is my camera and my lights, and I'm yet to get more stuffs with me now.
So yes guys, this is the camera I'm using right now, and this is Canon EOS 90D. And for lights, I have these 2 lights with me currently. As I told previously in the video, that one softbox and one ring light with me. And as you can see, these 2 walls are colored white, and this is my old house. The flooring is not yet done. I have some plans for the flooring. Since the lockdown is going on, I couldn't like complete the whole setup. And the wall, you can see that side, I'll put a dresser over there. I've already placed the order for that with my carpenter, but he couldn't deliver because of the lockdown going on. And only 2 walls are colored white, as you can see right on this side of the wall. This is actually the old house. So yes guys, this is the old room where we used to live. Now I just got 2 of the walls of this room painted white. And yeah, these 2 lights, as you can see, are from Amazon. One ring light and one softbox. The ring light is by the brand called Digitex. It is a very famous brand for lights, and the other one is The softbox is by Harrison. I bought both of them from Amazon, and I'll try to put the link of these two lights below in the description box if you want to buy, so you can check it out. And I am in plan of like putting some decorative items on the walls so that it looks more attractive and looks more proper as a studio or something like that. So yeah, that's it.
Now the second question is what I did past 1 year. Now past 1 year I totally focused on Instagram, though I just gained only few amount of followers. Like when I left working for YouTube, I just had 3 or 3.5k followers, and like after 1.5 years or now I have 7.5k followers with me. Touch wood. Now let me just touch wood. And yes, touch wood, I have 7.5k. But in the meantime, I collaborated with a lot of huge brands, which actually makes me a bit happy and content that I got the opportunity to work with such huge brands such as L'Oreal, Garnier, Pond's. Then I worked with Maggie, then I worked with Westside, then I worked with Maybelline, then I worked with Chamber, then I worked with Bata, then I worked with Max Fashions, and quite a number of brands. I don't just remember actually. So thanks to you all, and thanks to the blessings you all gave to me, that I got the opportunity to work with such huge brands. Also another thing which happened is I started working on TikTok, just you can say, without any reason. I just started working on on TikTok. And since I started giving some face art kind of videos on TikTok, I got selected. So I just got to be a part of their exclusive community team, and I'm really very thankful. And yes, so all my social media channel and blog link will be mentioned below in the description box, so you can check it out, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and also shower some love and support me there. So yeah, this is the thing which I did in past 1 year. Also a lot of things happened in my personal front. Like a mishap happened in between, that a huge robbery took place at my home, which actually was very depressing for all the family members in my home, and it actually took me 3 months to get over all those things. And also few things happened and few things didn't. Now another thing is that in this past 1 year I managed my dad to support me in this thing, because previously he had no idea what a YouTuber or an influencer or a blogger do, so he was completely against of what I was doing. But in this 1 year he got the idea of what a blogger or influencer or a YouTuber does. So now I can finally say that he supports me, and he has got a proper idea of what it goes like. And secondly, I would really like to thank my sister, who is just behind the camera, is laughing over there. Yeah, without her support and without her motivation, I couldn't have done all this stuff. Also, I would like to thank and yes, of course, I'd like to thank my parents for supporting me and feeling proud of what I'm doing right now, though my dad doesn't say in front of me, but my mom says it every time. So guys, so apart from my family and my fiance, I would really like to thank my friends from blogging community. I would have never thought that friends in blogging community would be so supportive and so lovable. So I would like to name few people. That is Pallavi. She is an amazing lifestyle content creator, and you would love her profile. I'll mention all the links to all my friends' Instagram channel below in the description box. Next I have Shantani. She is one of the most top bloggers in India who make content on beauty. And then I have Shairidi. She's a great and a lovable mom blogger. Then I have Shreyoshi. She is also an amazing lifestyle content creator and fashion content creator. Then I have Shalini. She is not only a fashion influencer, but she's an amazing singer too. Then I have Deblina. She's the most bubbly girl I have ever met, and she is also a beauty blogger. She is also having a YouTube channel with more than 4,000 subscribers. Then I have Khushi. Khushi is a YouTuber too, and a very amazing soul. Trust me guys, she's an amazing soul. She has always been supportive to me. and she makes content on mostly travel, and she's a famous YouTuber. Next I have Udita. You'll surely get influenced by her fashion sense. She's amazing with her fashion sense, amazing, and she is the most genuine person I have ever met, like very simple from heart. And there is Ahana. She is quite younger to me, but very sweet and very simple. And what I love is about her is her feet. That is maintained so well, and her flat lays are really gold. Like, if you don't know what is flat lay, please Google. But her flat lays are really gold, and the whole feed, the feed how she maintains is very calm and soothing. And then I have Pritanka. She is also quite junior to me, but she is a very sweet person, and yes, she is also a fashion blogger who will influence you to wear anything and everything, but in a fashionable way. Trust me. Like, she will pair up a sari with sneakers and you'll love that thing. So that's how influencers work, right? So yes, all these people are amazing people. I don't think I have missed any people right now, and if I don't think I have missed anyone, but if I have missed anyone, please don't be sad, but I love you all. I really love each and everyone I know from blogging community, and I love them all. Now the third important question is why I came back to YouTube. Yes, the most important thing is that at least now my parents and my fiancé supports me in what I do. So their support means a lot to me, and this is one of the most important reasons that I came back to YouTube. And secondly, I have the basic things which I need to make a proper YouTube video. So this is the second reason I came back on YouTube. And the third reason is I really want to come back on YouTube. I really want to create video for you all. I really want to create makeup tutorials you all love. So this is the most important thing which I had in my mind for past 1 year, that I need to create. I need to be stable on YouTube. I need to be a proper YouTuber, and this is the reason I came back on YouTube. And this wouldn't have been successful if my sister over there, who is sitting on the tool over there, this wouldn't have been successful without her motivation. So baby, I love you a lot.
I love you too.
Yes. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked it and hope you loved my journey from leaving YouTube to coming back on YouTube and what I did in between. So yes, if you like this video and if you loved my journey, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment below, and yes, do share this video with your family and friends. And I'll see you in my next video, which will be a very interesting one. I'll not say in this video. So yes, thank you so much. Bye bye.